The Crummy Audio's back. It's Poi Tooster back with another unboxing video. Yay. So, let me give you some backstory. My old computer broke. I bought a new one. This is the computer. And I also bought a few new gaming supplies. So, I'm going to unbox them in this video. This is the first thing, the computer. So yeah, let's unbox it. Might be a bit awkward because you guys can't really see anything that's happening from this angle. Warning, do not try this at home. Okay. Be careful with scissors though. They sharp. Okay. This is the thing. Yes. That's the thing. Computer itself. Okay, so I accidentally cut the video there. Man, this is what I get for recording on my phone. I'm just gonna take the thing out right now. So yeah, it's also a disclaimer that I want to do right now, because there's gonna be a lot of brands in this video, but this video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form, just like the last video. So yeah. So apparently I don't know how to unbox. This is how I'm doing it. It's more cardboard inside. This is a lot of cardboard. It's very heavy. I mean, I guess that's expected. It's a big computer. It's not gonna be featherweight. In this awkward moment when I'm just trying to get the thing out of the box, I would like to thank you guys for recently we hit 30 subscribers. So I'd really like to thank you guys, just for watching the video and, subscribing to my channel. I will be doing some sort of video soon, acknowledging the milestone. So stay tuned. Okay. So this is the charger right here. There's two separate things. I'm pretty sure. Oh no, this is all the charger. So this goes into here. X pairs. There's also here. This is the instructions and questions, like Q&A, I guess. And setup instructions. And then here you see the actual, actual thing. I've been saying that a lot. And here we go. Yeah, let's take it out of the plastic. Ta-da. Now, I saw a video on this. In the video, it said it was, like, flimsy, but I don't really see that. Okay, so we're going to see here. It comes, like, with protection on the keyboard. That's cool. I'm gonna gonna test out the heater. Yeah, this feels really nice. Here's the on-off button right here. A nice screen. I'm pretty sure it's also touch screen. It has some like Intel Core 11th gen processor or something. I think it's good for gaming. I really hope it is. And yeah. I'm gonna go set it up off camera. Okay, so next we are going to be unboxing this. This is the keyboard. I'm pretty sure. So yeah. I don't really know what to say right now. Oh boy. Okay. This is inside the box. Okay. So this is the thing. Instantly you can see this is very slim. It's not that big. It's probably good. You know, I'm not going to take too much space. If I had a few there, like that. So, let's take a look at the box. Just a reminder, nothing is sponsored. Again, so don't get any ideas. Okay, I'm ripping the box right now. Nice. What? And how else am I supposed to do this? While Toy2Ster tries to figure out how to open a box, would you consider subscribing? Remember, we're trying to be It's Your Boy Rock and subscribers. So, okay. So, grand reveal. I took a peek at it, but it's grand reveal. Ta-da! Whoa. Take this out. Now the box, I guess for now we can throw it aside. But this is a keyboard. I'm gonna remove the plastic. And this is probably a bit awkward, so I'm gonna cut the video until I come back. Okay, I took the thing off the string. This is connected by USB. And I mean, it looks very professional. I should probably turn on the connector. Turn on the display. Like if I have my thing like here. This is very nice. And you can see down here. You can see here. This is where it's like when you push down. You push down on it. you see the, like, what's happening beneath the keyboard. Also, that's probably where the lighting comes from. Also, a few cool things about this keyboard. There's this button here to like toggle the light, and also the arrow keys are fancy. So it's not too, like, if I pretend type on it, only the space bar is kind of loud. I guess the little buttons get louder, but yeah, it's not very loud at all. The keys make different sounds. So, I mean, let's test out the RBG. Okay, moment of truth. RBG for the keyboard. Bruh, it's in the wrong way. Yo, it's working. Yeah. I mean, let's see, I'm open just the search and type. It worked. Okay. I mean, I guess let's just move on to the next item. Next is going to be this, the mouse pad. So let me just move this on. So let's open. Thing. Put the mouse in there. Yeah, so here it is. I mean, you guys can't see it, but here's the mouse pad. So I'm gonna leave it right there because next we have the mouse. So you can test the thing out right away. So first of all, I like the fact that it comes really well protected in the nice thing. Oh boy, here's the mouse. The cord's really long. It comes with instructions, so I know how to operate it. Because, you know, it's hard to plug the USB in and click a few buttons. This all appears to be in a foreign language. Okay, there's the English. So first of all, now where I'm filming this, there's already a mouse pad right here. But I got this so that way, you know, if I'm ever traveling or like just in a different room, or for whatever reason, I can use this. It feels very smooth. Like this is made out of a more plasticky texture, and this one, the new one, is made out of like cloth. And so, yeah, the cord is really long. I'm pretty sure it's 6 feet. So if you ever need to quarantine, just like have somebody take that, and like you just go to the other side, and it's just like, okay, now we're properly quarantined. I'm gonna just test out things real quick. It's RBG. I'm gonna try that out in a moment too. But so yeah, I really like the feel of it. It fits really well, like in my hand. Oh god, this is gonna be really good. So yeah, let's try it out. The IRBG Moment of Truth Part 2. We're gonna plug in the mouse. Let's see if this is as sick as the keyboard. I have put it in the wrong way once more. Please help. Okay. Oh, it turned on. Okay. I mean, I'm gonna try opening Minecraft. And it works wonderfully. I want to try actually, because this mouse has very good, like when I tried butterfly clicking on it, it worked really well. So, I'm going to try a CPS. Oh, come on. A CPS counter just to see how good the thing is. I'm actually do 5 seconds. And I love the mouse pad. It works really well with the thing. Okay. No. The thing scrolled off the thing. Or like it scrolled off. Let's try that again. It keeps going off. I mean, I bet I can do better, but so yeah, this is a really cool setup. This is probably going to be the end of the video. I do want to show like a quick test, you know, to see how it does gaming wise. You know, the whole thing. It's kind of awkward because I'm holding the mouse with one hand, or the mouse I'm trying to play with one hand, and I need to record with the other. But yeah, I mean, it does really well so far with gaming. Yeah. Thank you all for watching. I will probably see you guys pretty soon to do the 30 subscriber special. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace.